Alright, so we're going to start out by removing the one 10mm bolt that holds on the bottom seat cushion. You can find this above the buckles for the center seat and the passenger seat. Now we can pull up on the bottom seat cushion to release the two clips that hold that in place. Once that seat cushion is free, you can slide it through the door. If you need to remove the rear seat bolsters, there's one 10mm bolt holding it in on both sides. Once those bolts are removed, pull upwards and then outwards on the bolster. If you pull straight out, you'll break this plastic clip on the top. Now head to the trunk and pull this release to drop the back of the seat. Now that you've folded the seat down, you should see that the back is covered in carpet. Head to the bottom corners of this carpet and fold it up, and you should find a 12mm bolt on each side. Remove these 12mm bolts and the back of the seat should slide right out. And that's it. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them.